Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, My Beautiful Memories, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about connectors of addition and sequence. So, open up page number 34 and let's get started. So, let's look at the first thing, which is a connector. What basically is a connector? A connector is a word that is used to join words or sentences. Now let's look at the very first type, which is going to be the connectors of addition. They are used to show addition. Connectors connect phrases and sentences together. Let's look at the examples below. I took a pen and started writing. Now here, and is joining the two phrases. Let's look at the second picture. I have written a poem as well as a biography. Now let's look at the third picture. I love playing with my racing car. I love playing with my cat too. These all are connectors for addition. Now let's come to connectors for sequence. They are used to show the order in which things happen. For example, first, then, next, before, and finally. These tell us the sequence in which the things have happened. You may pause the video right here and read out this passage by yourself for a better understanding. Once you are done reading, let's come to an activity. Make some sentences using the connectors on a loose sheet. Thank you.